Hey everyone, quick video. Somebody sent me these and I just want to give you my opinion on these, and I'm going to give you some information about our Facebook groups, how to contact me if you want any of those parts kits and that sort of thing. So just quickly, these bonnet struts first, because the Hilux has got a rod that holds the bonnet up, which it is budget, but it's very reliable compared to those other vehicles that have got struts that you need to replace. So, and how often do you open the bonnet, and is it that hard to lift the bonnet and put the rod up? Not really. And you know me, as much as I like adding some modifications to the vehicle, things you need, like, you know, a battery isolator for the dual battery, and maybe a winch, stuff like that, maybe a K&N air filter, because I'm into value for money and I know how well they filter. Each to their own. People are going to disagree with that, but whatever. You know, you could just look at the videos and see the dust and see what's happening with the paper filters and the difference, what happens with these. But anyway, whatever. We know which side's got the cleaner side in the dust from testing. Firstly, Michael, thanks for sending me these, but I'm not going to use them. So let me know if you want them back or if you want me to give them away to somebody else. Now, the reason I'm not going to use them, so that they're quite a heavy strut. They're big, fat, short. These ones were red. I think you painted them black. Thanks for that. Appreciate your effort. And I believe they mount under the bonnet hinge, which means you would have to upset the genuine original paintwork there. And I think it bolts on here just using this little M6, which, given the angle directly from there to there, I believe that requires a stupid amount of pressure to hold the bonnet up. And it really pushes sideways on that mount with only one M6. So you got, that's the bonnet end, cool, no problem. And the other end, it's just got one little hole, and these brackets, they push really badly sideways. I don't like the look of it. It's going to rub around on the paintwork. Once again, I have to upset a original guard bolt, which I don't want to do that. So they're my reasons why. It's going to add weight unnecessarily is my second reason. My first reason is I just don't like the design where it's got to push so hard in the mounting system, particularly at this end. So unfortunately, not for me. I did consider it. I got them out of the box, but they've been sitting there. I've been trying to work out what to do. So this is what I decided to do. So thanks for that. We can all move on from that, each to your own if you want to upgrade to bonnet struts, but not for me. I'm just going to stick with the good old reliable rod. Now, I've got to do this because a lot of people are new and some people still don't get it either. So you got to follow the info if you want to be on channel properly. I'm here to help, but there's only one of me and there's millions of you. I'll say that because it might be hundreds and thousands of you at the moment, but it's only growing and there's going to be a lot more people. So by the time people see the video, it will be millions. Anyway, I'm sure millions of people have seen my videos anyway, right? Because only about 30-something% are subscribed. So there's a lot of videos getting seen by people not subscribed. So you might want to subscribe and not miss it. About 80,000 people have thought it was worthwhile. So they're either really dumb or you're missing out. And I think they're the wise people. So stick with me for a minute. We don't use Messenger. So if you cop me on Facebook, no worries. I'm there to share some info. That's how I help people in bulk. That's one of the platforms we use. It's not I hate Facebook. I mean, you can hate Facebook. It's just how people use it. We just use that platform. That's where our groups are. You can call it whatever brand you like, but it's just our groups. Remember, you got to answer the 3 questions to get into all the groups. We don't use Messenger. I'm Anthony Prado Forby. Anthony Prado Forby. So if you want to be friends, you can hit the friend button. If you're a normal person with a normal looking profile, I'll probably press accept. Okay, we've got a Facebook page. That's the Prado Hospital information page. You might want to follow that. If you're in Australia, you'll be able to find it. Text message service for parts kits purchase, order book into the Prado Hospital. That's the only thing that number's for. It doesn't ring. People are finding out all day, every day. At the end of the day, I just clear all the red numbers. It does not ring. Monday from 7:30 a.m. That's for your parts purchase, ideal time, but not when we're closed on holiday. So stay tuned on the Prado Hospital Facebook page and the videos. Either will cover you, but both is best. You can order parts anytime you like during normal business hours, and I'll pack and send them anytime I like, full stop. But if you want me to do it same day, you text me 7:30, I respond with the order, you send the payment. As soon as the payment turns up, I pack and send either Monday or Tuesday. Straight away, if your bank sends the money straight through, we endeavour to get it done ASAP. Like it says, the rest of the week I'm busy working on vehicles and producing videos and got other stuff to do as well. Anyway, Facebook groups if you're in Australia, Oz Prado Crew, Oz Hilux Crew. There's a new patrol group. I think I called it Oz Y62 Patrol Crew, something like that. So you might want to check that one out, because guess what? Yep, we got a sneaky patrol there. Anyway, but don't worry, we still got our sneaky Prados, not going anywhere, in our Hiluxes and all that sort of stuff, right? We've got these 4 groups for your particular engine, right? We've got the 1GR V6 outside, 1GR Forever Crew. There's a bit going on there at the moment. If you're on our YouTube channels, the same name as the YouTube channels is Facebook groups also. That would suit anyone anywhere in the world, should be able to find those groups. These ones specifically says Oz, so, you know, more Australian related content. And you've got the Toyota 1KD FTV injectors and engine, if you want to talk about anything injectors and engine related. Similar to the 1KD, GD, KZ, GR, because they're all those engines, but whatever. And there's a VIP group. That's for clients only, as you can see. How do you get in there? You become a client. And then you got the gold class. You need to watch the videos to get to know these things. And I didn't even know the name of my own YouTube channel. I thought it was 4 Before Touring Australia. Well, it used to be. And then when we reprinted this, one of the old edits didn't get edited. It is 4 Before Adventures for a long time now. Subscribe, turn the bell on both. Bada bing, bada boom, baby. Don't ring me. Don't text me, ask tech hotline questions. No, that's what the number's for. It's to order your parts kits. The BFE kit, watch the video, there's a playlist. The injector kit, watch the videos, there's a playlist. How to buy my kits, there's a playlist. How to buy my kits with all the info you need. There's no website. If you're looking for websites, you got the wrong guy. You made another mistake. So subscribe, turn the bell on so you don't miss those mistakes and don't miss another video. Someone in the VIP group just yesterday made a mistake. I said, don't take the pan off, don't use aftermarket parts. Careful who you trust working on your vehicle. And guess what? He trusted someone working on the vehicle and now he's got transmission problems. So do as I say and you will be okay. There you go, it even rhymes. Catch you in the next video, people. See ya.